Today, I want to share with you my recent garage shop makeover project. I needed to free up more space for my woodworking tools, and the first step was to create a bike wall storage system. The garage was a mess. Tools, equipment, and bikes scattered everywhere. It was time for a change. We started by clearing out all of the clutter and donated anything I no longer needed or used. This allowed us to have a clear space to work with. As we were cleaning out the garage, my son and I stumbled upon a big spider. We carefully caught the spider and placed it in a jar. As we were about to release it back into the wild, I couldn't resist making a joke and asked my son to touch it to check if it was poisonous. Of course, we both knew it was just a harmless joke, but my son's reaction was priceless. We laughed and released the spider back into nature.
I'm planning to use this wall not for materials, but rather for keeping everything else, storing everything else. The other wall we are going to use for material storage. So the idea I have right now is that I want to locate the rack on top of the wheels, and here I want to locate 4 bicycles, one after another. We bought a couple of tools that help us to locate the bicycle rack and bicycles themselves onto the wall. And so the first tool is this metal hitch that we can secure on the wall and then put the bicycle rack, the car bicycle rack, on this. Another thing I bought is these metal racks that will allow us to secure the bicycles on the wall. So to make sure I can put this thing on the wall myself, I want to first try it out. There is the approximate height. I want to locate this hitch. So yeah, I think that will work. Together with the rack, I've got these dowels, but I decided not to use them. I feel like the plastic is not of the best quality here, so instead I'm going to use this, which I found much more reliable.
As I was installing a hitch on the wall, I couldn't help but wonder if it was strong enough to hold up my bike rack. So I called over my son and asked him to test by hanging on it. He eagerly jumped up and grabbed onto the hitch, swinging back and forth. I held my breath, hoping it would hold, and to my relief, it did. After that, I felt confident that it was sturdy enough to hold the weight of a bike car holder. Next up, it was time to install the bike wall storage system. I put the bike racks on different heights so my son can easily take his bike himself. With a spacing of 40 centimeters, which is roughly 16 inches between racks, we could comfortably store all of our bikes without them getting in the way. Behind the camera, I also added a shelf for all of our additional bike accessories. Overall, creating the bike wall storage system was a fun and enjoyable project that not only freed up more space for my woodworking tools, but also allowed us to have some quality family time together. So, grab your loved ones and get ready for some garage makeover fun. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like or dislike. if you didn't.